Japhet Nyakundi mbaikirana ime yesukuru yoboroso ya Kenyoro yogotoka ime ye ward ya Kigogi Ri'Ochengera Rituko yokorenda ebinto Ebitoetanaine Mwaziri Migosi nigo bono haereire buna umurai wense William Ruto nigabekire emiroberio yokuhenekia ngosime emete ngosime kwere $150 million nebere neyamo buna enchira yamo yogochia kohenekia ewizara yechisemi nkobekere emiroberio yogosime kemete chiribu iberekera ase esukuru Morikito Caroline Mausa nuarenga sensemeyo nabono tuwarega ndio roboti orega senchero bwekerano
Bunenchera ye moyo Gochengera Rituko lya mazingira day Rituko lya lero ime county ya Kisio mawaziri wechisemi Julius Migosi Ogamba no mujumbe bwe bunge ya kitutu cha Chenot Japhet Nyakundi mbaba bagwikirana ime sukuru yoborose ya Kenyoro ejwe gotoka ime ward ya Kigogi eliko Gochengera Rituko liga.
This mazingira day we are supporting environment and the ministry as well by planting at least 2,000 trees in each of our institutions, and it is estimated that by the end of today, as a Ministry of Education, we will have planted over 71 million trees towards our main target of 15 billion trees.
Boigo mawaziri Migosi na boigo Japhet Nyakundi mbaba bagosimekemete bakubwaterana n'abarimu na boiga borokiwa kurwa chisukuru echo bunenchera yemo yo kuikerania ehira yo murai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto yo kuikerania Rituko lya rero bwase batakire ko baba gosimeka emete chiribubere ase kera esukuru.
So I want to encourage each and every one of you to take up the call by His Excellency the President, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, to at least plant a tree or 2 trees or 3 trees or 10 trees. We've been able to do that as a country. If we do that, we could also be able to meet that 15 billion target before 2030 as we had anticipated. We've been able to donate some books. We've been able to donate some computers. We've been able to give this institution 2 million Kenya shillings for them to do 1 lab and 1 classroom. And we've been able to get a mobile lab from SEPU, which has already been donated and installed, and the students here will therefore have access to the utilization of that facility.
Boigo Migosi Ogamba niga sabira baiboli babe bakubakwanira abana babo babe bagotwara chimbwa chingiya ekero bale sukuru eyemagega y'ekisukuru chinyinge koro kiwa chigoto eyemagega y'ekisukuru chinyinge koro kana chigotongigwa amatuka bwangoiga.
We are asking the school administrators, the school boards, the principals and head of institutions is to engage the students and the learners where there are grievances so that they are able to deal with those challenges before the students reach the decision that for them to be heard, they need to destroy school property by arson or by burning those institutions. But also to take note that once that happens, then the burden becomes the parents because they will have to redo those facilities that have been destroyed. So I want to encourage the students to engage in dialogue with the schools so that if they have issues that need to be done, they are dealt with without them resulting into committing arson, which is also a crime, by the way, and some of them are being arrested, so that those issues can be resolved amicably between the students and the institutions. We will also ask the parents to engage with their students, their children, so that they encourage them when there is an issue to have those issues discussed in an amicable way so that we do not reach the level of destroying school property because it becomes expensive, you lose time, and the parents have to redo and they have to be charged afresh to pay for whatever is destroyed. So we are encouraging them to engage. The lecturer strike they had a meeting yesterday in Nairobi between the universities and the lecturers and SRC, and they've agreed that they form a technical team that is going to look at the payrolls to confirm how much money has been paid out of the money that they are requesting for. And we've encouraged them to talk to their members, the lecturers, to go back to class as that issue is being resolved.
Kenya has won several awards on issues to do with environment, more especially our president, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, who has won a couple of awards because of being a champion of planting trees and the issues to do with green energy. So we want to encourage each and every one of us, wherever we are, that we should continue planting trees because they are for our own benefit and the benefit of our people.
Rwa esukuru yo borose ya Kenyoro imeye ward ya Kegogi ebunge ya Kitutu Chache North county ya Kisii elietaria nema osa Caroline.